Hey everybody, welcome back. So I'm going to show you how I like to prepare a trout. And it's good. You can use this way when you're out camping and you just have a fire. Say if you don't have a pan or an oven or your barbecue grill or however you like to prepare your fish. So basically, it's pretty not too hard to do. I got some butter, some limes, and of course trout we just caught, cleaned. So I like how to do it is you're gonna take some foil, cut your sheet of foil. You're gonna take your trout, put your trout on the foil, and then you're going to need. Oh, I forgot. Lemon pepper. You need some good old lemon pepper. Nom nom nom. Anyways, okay. So what you're gonna do is take your fish, and then you're gonna take a chunk of butter. It depends on how much you like, but make sure it's real butter, not that spread stuff. Butter is good. So you're gonna just take some of your butter, stick it in there, and then you're gonna take some of your lime. And like I said, you don't have to. This is optional. This is what I like. If you don't like it, if this doesn't work for you, so be it. So once you get that going, take some of your lemon pepper and don't be afraid to use this, guys. You're just gonna shake some on there. Go with the whole side of them, from head to tail. Open them up. Get some of that going on the inside. And then you're gonna do the other side as well. And then from there, what you're gonna do is just wrap them up. And then from there, what you're going to do is take your fish, and you can either take it and put it on your open flame if you're out camping or a fire or whatever, or you can put them on your barbecue grill. And the great thing about that is you cook them outside. You don't have to worry about your house smelling like trout. So I would say, I don't know, 6 to 8 minutes each side, and then you should be good to go. Open them up, and then if you want, I can even make another video and show you how to open them up. Take the bones out, what to look for. Um, so I hope you guys like this. Once it's all done, like I said, I'll show you another video on how to open them up and eat them. So I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Until then, have a good one.